So in this tutorial, we'll be learning how to sign up on Zoom with the swastik.live ID, which is given to every student. So now first you have to go to zoom.us/download. You can, like, for using the Zoom app or any Zoom, for entering any Zoom meeting, you first have to download the app. On any device you're using, it can be a PC, a laptop, a tablet or a phone, any device. So first you can go ahead and simply download it, and you can click on this option, Zoom client for meetings. So I'm not going to do that because I already have that on this device. So for signing up with the swastik.live ID, we'll go to sign up, it's free, the orange icon over here. So first we'll click on it, and then we can enter our birth date. And I'll continue. Next, I'll enter my work email address. So you will be provided with the swastik.live ID. You just have to enter that, and then you have to click on sign up. Now, the Zoom website will send an email to the swastik.live ID, but we've already redirected all the emails which you will receive on swastik.live to your personal email ID. So you can just go ahead and click on your personal email ID, and you'll have an email received from the Zoom site, and then you can just simply click on activate account. It will redirect you back to the Zoom site. Then it will ask, are you signing up on behalf of a school? You just have to click on the no, and you have to continue. Then you can create the account has been successfully created, and you can enter your details. So the first name for the Zoom ID will be your first name, that is, and the last name you have to enter as your roll number. So I'll be entering the roll number of this ID, and you can create a nice password which is which can be easily remembered, but it is also safe for your ID. And please note that it must have at least 8 characters, at least a letter, a number, uppercase and lower characters. And you can just simply go ahead and confirm the password which you entered above. Continue. Don't zoom alone, and since you don't have to go through this procedure, you can just go ahead and you can just click on I'm not a robot, and you can skip this step. So now this is your Zoom provides you an option for a personal meeting URL, and you can just simply skip this part too. And now Zoom app, which you just downloaded from the URL which was given by zoom.us/download. So now you can just click on sign in, and you can enter your email which was the swastik.live account you just created. You can enter your email, and then you can enter your password which you used for the signing up, and then you can click on sign in simply. So now you're logged in into the Zoom ID, as you can see. And now for attending any class, we will send a Zoom meeting link to you. You can just simply click on the Zoom meeting, and it will ask you if you want to redirect to the Zoom app you downloaded. It might be on PC, on laptop, on your phone or any device such as a tablet. So you just have to click on open Zoom when it asks you for it, and you have to join in with your audio and video, and you can simply attend the session. If you have any doubts, you can drop us a mail on support@swasticclasses.com, or you can contact executives for the same. Thank you so much for attending the tutorial.